Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about the Moto G Stylus 5G. This is a new Motorola phone coming out. It is going to be centered around the 5G network. Of course, 5G is the new thing that's everybody's talking about, right? It's a new cool kid on the block. Of course, this kind of reminds me and competes with LG, the LG Stylo series, and LG kind of leading the cell phone market. So Motorola definitely seems to be filling in that void right now. So everybody likes the LG style for a reason. It's, everybody says it's a budget, Samsung Note series, which is true. But of course, LG didn't have really good specs for their phone. So let's see if Motorola can kind of supercharge your thinking on the Stylus series for Motorola. So like I said, it says your imagination supercharged by 5G. Like I said, where areas do get 5G? Here in my town, only a couple areas get 5G, not the whole, city. So say hello to the Moto G Stylus 5G, guys. Pretty cool. So this actually was released on June 9th, so a couple days from the recording of this video. It's by Motorola, of course. So this is through Motorola's actually, press release, I guess. It says, when inspiration strikes, you want the power to act right away and make your mark on the world. Pretty cool. And we'll talk about what carriers will be getting this phone. Of course, some carriers already have confirmed it, but we'll talk about that in just a sec. It says, with Moto G Stylus 5G, your imagination is supercharged with a unique built-in stylus and ultra-fast 5G connectivity. Capture your most brilliant ideas faster than ever and take advantage of brilliant quad camera system. So right there, guys, it's saying we're gonna have a quad camera system, so 4 cameras. It's gonna have a big display like Motorola usually does, and ultra reliable 2-day battery. So it's gonna have a 2-day battery. It's not gonna have anything like a 3-day battery like some Motorola phones have, but hey, so this is pretty cool. It's gonna give us a lot of specs here. So it says, get ready for a whole new way to express yourself. The stylus is perfect for jotting notes, editing photos, sketching artwork, or anything that requires pinpoint control and precision. They always say that. All the tools you need for seamless integration and always within reach. Your favorites appear the moment you pop out the stylus. And you can open the Moto Notes app without unlocking your phone. It's pretty cool. So you can just unlock or take out your pen and you can start jotting notes. It says, with the next generation 5G connectivity, you never have to wait for a light connection to capture your next brilliant idea. With virtually no lag time, you can sketch out your big idea, capture a memorable moment, or download files with ease. Like I said, as long as you connect to a 5G network. Pair with Qualcomm Snapdragon 480. So this phone has a 480 Snapdragon, or Qualcomm Snapdragon 480. Not the best, but I guess I've seen worse. Should be at least, I would have thought it would have been at least a 6 or 7 series Snapdragon, but it's 4 series. Does have 4 gigs of RAM, which is good. That's definitely decent. It's 5G, will put creativity on the fast track, plus 256 gigabytes or 128 gigabytes of built-in storage. So most likely everybody's going to get the 128 gigs, and then you can also upgrade to the 256 gigabytes. But like I said, that's still pretty good. 120 gigs for a phone, not bad. It says you have tons of room for your sketches, notes, photos, and movies. If you need more space, you can always add up to a 1 terabyte micro SD card. So, wow. I don't personally know anybody that has a 1 terabyte SD card in their phone, so it's pretty cool. Showcase your creativity from every perspective with the quad camera system. So there you go. 48 megapixel main sensor. Gets a boost from quad pixel technology, delivers 4 times the low light sensitivity for sharper, brighter photos. Cool. When the moment you want to capture is too big for the frame, fit a 4 times more into the shot with a 118 degree ultra wide angle lens. So we have a main camera which is 48 megapixels. Also has 4 times low light. Also has a 4 times. You can fit in 4 times more into your photo thanks to the 118 degree ultra wide angle. So ultra wide angle. Geez, I don't know why I'm getting that wrong. It says, from the wings of a butterfly to the crystals on a snowflake explore a whole new world close up. It's going to have a macro vision camera for 5 times closer. So you have a main lens, ultra wide, and a macro lens, which will let you zoom in about 5 times closer, which is pretty cool. Also has a depth sensor, which blurs the background automatically to turn everyday photos into professional looking portraits. So pretty cool. That's what all the lenses do. Once your main, once the ultra wide, the second one is a macro, and then that third one is for depth sensing. So it's pretty cool. It says, in addition to the powerful camera hardware, our advanced camera software enables you to capture and share the world creatively the way you want. Shot color videos allow you to isolate a single color while keeping the rest of the video black. So it's pretty cool. You ever seen those where if I want my shirt to be red, it'll just be red, but everything else will be, you know, black and white. It's pretty cool to have that feature on here. It says the Moto G Stylus 5G will also welcome a brand new functionality with a native GIF maker. So, you know, everybody likes to make the GIFs. So pretty cool. Now users can easily create GIFs and quickly share with friends and family on social media. Pretty cool. Let's talk about the screen now. It says, with stunning content you create on a big, beautiful screen, this thing has a 6.8-inch max full vision HD+. Display stretches from edge to edge, so you're going to get that, you know, edge to edge basically display. You also have space to work, play, and express your creativity. It says, when you're on the roll, the last thing you want to do is stop and plug in your phone. So this does have a whopping 5,000 milliamp battery, which is really nice and big for this phone, which is nice. That's the worst thing if you're out doing something with work or just watching videos. You don't want your phone dying real quick. That 5,000 milliamp battery has about a 2-day battery. I always tell people it's a 2-day battery, but it really depends how you use it. If you're watching full-blown movies on there, you're probably not going to get 2 days worth of life off of it. So it says, enjoy a software experience that can keep up with you no matter what. Android 11, there you go. Android 11 finally is optimized for how you use your phone. Make it more intuitive, more secure, and personal. Explore better conversation management and messaging apps. Improve control over connected devices and more hands-on approach to data privacy. In this excited update from Google, Android 11 also brings new and improved accessibility features to Moto fans, including fast and easier voice access and assist power shortcuts. So pretty cool. It's basically saying that you're going to get newest and greatest through Motorola. Let's talk about where it's going to be available, guys. So here we go. This is where in the US, which is where we're at, the new Moto G Stylus 5G will be available universally unlocked at Best Buy. So you can get it unlocked at Best Buy, Walmart, and B&H Photo, Amazon.com, and Motorola.com starting June 14th. So that's tomorrow, on Monday, for $400, guys. That's $399.99. Like I said, I would say what it is. It's $400 basically. It will be sequentially available at AT&T, Cricket, T-Mobile, Metro by T-Mobile, Boost Mobile, Xfinity, and Spectrum Mobile. So far, Cricket Wireless has announced that they will be carrying this phone. Motorola will be as well, having this available, like I said, to a variety of different other carriers. Like, of course, Boost Mobile is going to have it, so that's pretty cool, and of course, Metro. Pretty cool. Let me know in the comments below what you think, guys. Like I said, it's coming out tomorrow for $400. Like I said, I wish the processor was a little bit better instead of just a 4 series processor. But it is what it is. I mean, for $400, I still think that's a little steep for the stuff that you're getting. If you had a 7 series processor, I'd be all over it. But it does have good cameras, the pen, which is a big thing, and of course, a big battery. So let me know in the comments below what you think, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. And like I said, this is coming directly from Motorola. So check them out for more. And let me know in the comments, are you excited for this phone? For what carrier would be getting? Will you be getting it? Or do you just want it unlocked? So thank you.